Hello guys, this is OFL Crypto and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first video on the YouTube channel, so please do well to subscribe, comment and like the video if you want to see more of these. As you can actually see, this is a complete tutorial on how to register a Binance account, step-by-step tutorial. So without further ado, let's kickstart the video. I'll be using a browser because it's actually easier to sign up with a browser than the Binance app. So Firefox, I'll be visiting the official Binance website, which is binance.com. So it's actually pretty simple. You just have to click the register button. Then you select your country or area of residence, which is, in my case, it is Nigeria. In other cases, it might be Senegal, it might be United States, it might be United Kingdom, but in my case, it is Nigeria, so I'll just confirm. One more thing, all the information and details I'll be creating these accounts with are not valid, they are not real details, so I just think you might actually need to know that. So I'll just input a random password here, and you can see one of the criteria to create the password is minimum of 8 characters, at least one number must be in the password, and at least one uppercase character. So the number, the uppercase character, yes, everything is complete. So the referral ID, as you can see, the referral ID is kind of optional, but if you wish to use a referral ID, you'll be getting a 5% commission, and it's actually pretty cool because it will help to, it will help your trading. So this is my referral ID. So you just copy the referral ID, then you paste it. If you wish to use my referral ID, you can actually find it down below in the description of the video. So thank you. So you just click on the create account button, then you slide the puzzle. It's actually pretty fun, just for the security verification. Once you slide the button, then it's done. I already have a Binance account associated with this mail, so I don't need to input any email verification code. And after inputting the email verification code, the process is actually done, so you don't need much things to be done. So I don't need the email verification code because I already have a valid account, so I will not be doing this. So immediately you put your email verification code, you will be logged in straight into the fresh, newly created accounts. So let's go back to login. So yeah guys, this is the Binance account login page. So I'll be logging in now. For some reason, the network is not actually favorable right now, but stay tuned.